Time for a little bit of repairs. This piece wore out a number of years ago and actually broke apart, and I just used some JB Weld to put it back together temporarily about 5 years ago. And I bought a new piece to go there, this piece, and just haven't put it in. So now I'm going to try to get it put in there. It's supposed to be a pretty easy item, so we'll find out. It's got some screws on the back of here to come out first so that can lift, and then a couple of screws here. So there's, I think, only about 6 screws for the whole process. Now let's see. Gotta unplug it. Okay, power off. So it's a torque screw up there. Okay, so 4 screws on this back. And I better move these screws off of there so I don't lose them. So that should allow me to lift this forward. So this comes up, and that just kind of gets slightly out of there. That's going to allow this part to move. It's just got tabs in there. Now, there should be a couple of screws up in here. Okay, just a long screw. It's a Phillips screw, and there's 2 of those. And I have no idea how old this dryer is. I'm pretty sure we had it before we moved here, and it was used when I got it, I think. Well, I'm pretty sure I've never bought a new dryer. And only one new washing machine, and that was after the other one was kind of going bad years ago. Okay, so lift this up. I'm honestly not sure why that has to be removed, because I'm not. Oh, because I need to get this higher, because I think there's a couple of screws back there. Okay. So let's get that. There we go. Yeah, because there's 2 screws here, so this has to come up for screws in here. Let's see if we can get a better shot of those. So there's 1 screw, and the other one is mirrored image. It's on this side. We'll go ahead and take those 2 screws out. Yep, just Phillips screws. And I've taken this apart before because I replaced the bearings in the back at one point, but that's been years. Oh, I can close that. All right, those 2 screws out. And then I'm going to lift this just a little bit to take pressure off of this front. And then I think it kind of lifts out. Whoop, come on, door. Stay closed. There we go. So it's got short wires on there, and I was hoping to not remove those, so I'm just going to tilt it around. I'll take this top piece out. All right, so it's got 2 little tabs here, and there's 2 little pieces here that it locks under. So get that out of there. And that's not too bad a shape, really. Okay, that's tilted up. All right, and then that comes out, and we can clean all that area. Then we'll make sure that the new one, the replacement one, fits, because it is slightly different. You can see where I had the JB Weld in there, and it held up for quite a while. So again, trying not to pull on those wires. And then this can go behind here. Okay, and then this goes behind there. And that okay, that looks good. We can put that back on there. And then I'll have to double check the exhaust piping and make sure that it's actually all the way clean. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do a quick check before I put the top panel on. Put it on cool. All right, so it sounds good. The little felt things, it's riding on all the parts now. I think you can see that. There's one of the felt pieces there, one of them there, and then it has the various strips along there, the nylon or UHMW strips and various things that it rides on that rim. Sounds good and looks much better. So go ahead and put that back together. I'll unplug it. So unplug it so that I don't short anything out when I go to put this in there. Put these screws back in. And last, put these top screws back in. Sounds good. So we'll go check the air and we'll clean it out if necessary. So it's got fully open, full air, no clogging or anything. So I don't have to worry about that part.